Hello, guys. I want us to look at the technical analysis of Sterling Bank. That is the Sterling Bank stock. Let's head over to our trading view. So this is my trading view background, how it looks like. And this is the chart depicting the movement of the Sterling Bank stock. And if we look closely, there are key features we need to take note of in this chart. And one of those features is this rather. Let's look at this. Let's go down. You see, this movement started from this point. This was the low. I guess it's 1.43. Yes. And as we all know, Sterling Bank has had their own, uh, they've not really been doing well for some time, but I think they are coming back now with strong fundamentals and they're trying to put things in order. So as a result, I think buying their shares will be of great consideration. First and foremost, I would like us to dive into this chart and see the movement. If you watch, Sterling Bank stock has been in an uptrend from its low, making a new all-time high of 9.35. But the new all-time high is not what I'm here to discuss. I'm here to discuss key things we need to note here so you don't miss out on this opportunity of buying the Sterling Bank shares. Now, take a look at this. This is a resistance zone. This is what a strong resistance zone. Wait, let me circle it. This is a strong resistance zone. If you observe, it got to this zone, it pulled back. There was a serious pullback. Now it attempted, oh, sorry, it tried to break it, but at this point, it tried to break it at this point. There was another pullback. So that is to tell you this is a very strong resistance zone. It came again to break it. There was no way. It came again. It broke through. It retraced back, showing you that this is a very strong resistance zone. So now, as a trader, a long-term trader or a short-term trader, what comes to your mind? Now, at this point, a lot of people will be weird out because this is a strong accumulation zone. This is a strong accumulation zone. So, as a smart and wise investor, two things should come to your mind. If it is trading below this resistance, there's every tendency that it could go down. The price could go further down. But also remember that when the price gets to that resistance area, that is a very great opportunity, buy opportunity, because if it succeeds in pulling through this resistance, two things can happen, or rather one thing can happen. If it pulls through this resistance, like by way of, let me show you, it pulls through again, push through again, and probably it could retest this resistance, which will now turn to support, then start shooting up. This is what could happen to Sterling Bank. This is how I see this playing out. It pulls up to this phase after breaking this resistance, then retest this place, and then shoot up. So now, why wait for it to pull through this place? Why not buy at this point? You are seeing, so that by the time it makes it makes this upward movement, you already are in profit. So I would suggest that for those who are asking if Sterling Bank is a great buy opportunity now, I will tell you this is the right time to buy your shares in Sterling Bank. Secure it and leave it to play out for long term, because the project Sterling Bank stock is not what do I call it? It's not a short term kind of share. So when you're buying, you should have the intention of holding for long term. That is when you would reap the dividend in terms of capital appreciation, payment, and as well as the dividend that comes to you as an investor. So that is my own humble analysis.